friends, Carrie Ann here, real realtor with Keller Williams Mountain Partners, and you are watching Living in Hendersonville, the YouTube show where we explore what it's like to live in Hendersonville. And I have a really unique property listed by me, Carrie Ann Chandler, with Keller Williams Mountain Partners, that I want to highlight today. This home, 913 Dorothy Street, is offered at $500,000 now. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but really a lot more. And we're gonna check it out today because it has income producing potential. It's a short drive from the Ecusta Trail, and there's so much about this property we're gonna highlight. The upstairs living space is where you would live and hang out, and then the basement apartment is what could make you passive income. So we're gonna zip through the upstairs living room space, but then we're gonna highlight and really dive deep on that potentially income producing basement apartment and see what your life could be like with some passive income. Let's go! Before we head downstairs, I wanted to show you this beautiful porch. Porches are always my favorite things about properties. And even though we're really grown up here in the springtime, during the winter, and you can kind of still see them right now, we have a mountain view. Check out the basement apartment, your future rental. Let's go. Okay, here we are downstairs on the back patio. There are 2 kind of driveways into this property, and this is a completely separate entrance from upstairs. Very cute swing, just like upstairs has a porch swing, fenced in backyard. We can't actually consider them bedrooms, but there are rooms, 2 rooms down here and 1.5 baths. So let's explore and imagine what you could rent this space for, and just think about that extra income that you could have as a homeowner. Come on in. We're coming into what you could consider the living room space. And behind you is the full bath. It has a walk-in shower. What I love about this downstairs space are these floors. These are epoxy floors, very easy and low maintenance to maintain. It also has radon mitigation. It has a water filtration system. This space over here comes down from the upstairs. This fireplace, these sellers have never used. You could maybe stick a fun electrical one in there. You have some storage shelves. These could come out, but these sellers have them here now. And this leads us into the kitchen. What I want to highlight about this kitchen is that it's not a kitchenette. We have a full stove oven. We've got our refrigerator. We have our little trash area, plenty of cabinet space. This is a whole basement apartment. Come this way into the main bedroom or main room. And we've got a big closet over here, another closet here. This is where the water filtration system is hiding, so you know you got some really good water. And it comes over this way into your laundry room. And we may have missed it upstairs, but there is a laundry closet upstairs. So the 2 spaces can be completely independent of each other. And then finally, this brings us into the other room, not bedroom, room. That could be an office, or you could put a day bed in here. Has a closet. And then we come back into the kitchen. It's a full basement apartment. There's even another door. So there's 2 entries into this space. Just think of what you could rent this for, and that could help offset your mortgage for your upstairs living space. Okie dokie artichokes, that's the whole in-depth basement tour. If you want a closer look at the upstairs space and the surrounding property, you know you need to give me a call. If you want to move to Western North Carolina, I'm your girl. So be sure and like this video, hit the notifications bell so you know when more videos are coming up, subscribe to this channel. And if you are ready to explore Hendersonville or the surrounding area, let's get started today. Okie dokie, I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.